Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today I have something super exciting to share with you all. Lately everyone's been talking about chia seeds. These tiny seeds have been popping up everywhere and I just had to find out what all the hype was about. These tiny little seeds are like the superheroes of the food world. Packed with nutrients, they seem to be the answer to all our dietary needs. People are putting them in everything: smoothies, yogurt, and even in their morning cereal. It's like chia seeds have become the new must-have ingredient. Salads, baked goods, you name it. If you can eat it, you can probably add chia seeds to it. The versatility of these seeds is truly impressive. They say chia seeds can do it all: boost your energy, make you skinny, and improve your overall health. Some even claim they can help with weight loss and digestion, and maybe even give you superpowers. Okay, maybe not superpowers, but you get the idea. The benefits of chia seeds seem almost too good to be true. Okay, maybe not superpowers, but you get the idea. The claims are pretty impressive, and I was definitely intrigued. I had to see what all the fuss was about. So I did some research and found out that chia seeds are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, protein, and antioxidants. So I decided to eat chia seeds every single day for 30 days. I wanted to see if these tiny seeds could really make a difference in my life. And let me tell you, it's been a wild ride. From the very first day, I noticed a difference in my energy levels. I felt more awake and alert, and I didn't experience the usual mid-afternoon slump. As the days went by, I started to feel even better. My workouts improved, and I found that I had more stamina and endurance. It was like my body was thanking me for giving it this superfood. I also got creative with how I incorporated chia seeds into my diet. I made chia seed pudding, added them to my smoothies, and even sprinkled them on top of my salads. Another surprising benefit was the improvement in my skin. I started to notice a healthy glow, and my skin felt more hydrated and smooth. It was like chia seeds were working their magic from the inside out. I also learned that chia seeds are incredibly easy to incorporate into your diet. They don't have a strong flavor, so they can be added to almost anything without altering the taste. I even got my friends and family on board. We had a chia seed party where we tried different recipes and shared our experiences. It was a fun way to explore the benefits of this amazing superfood together. Throughout the 30 days, I kept a journal to track my progress. It was fascinating to see how my body responded to the addition of chia seeds in my diet. By the end of the 30 days, I was convinced. Chia seeds had made a noticeable difference in my energy levels, skin, and overall well-being. I felt healthier and more vibrant. So, if you're looking for a simple way to boost your health, I highly recommend giving chia seeds a try. They may be tiny, but they pack a powerful punch. Thanks for joining me on this journey. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. See you next time. Now you might be thinking, Ellen, why chia seeds? What's so special about these tiny, seemingly insignificant seeds that everyone's raving about? Well, for starters, they're packed with good stuff: fiber, protein, omega-3s, and antioxidants. These little powerhouses are like nature's multivitamin. You name it, they've got it. From smoothies to salads and even desserts, chia seeds can be added to almost anything, making them incredibly versatile. People claim chia seeds can help you lose weight, have more energy, and even improve your overall health. Imagine having more stamina throughout the day, just by adding a spoonful of these seeds to your meals. And let's not forget the beauty benefits. Chia seeds are said to make your skin glow thanks to their high antioxidant content. Who wouldn't want that? Radiant skin, more energy, and a healthier body? It sounds like a dream come true. Plus, I was getting tired of my usual breakfast routine. Day after day of the same old toast and cereal was starting to wear on me. I needed something new, something exciting to look forward to in the morning. I figured, why not spice things up with a little chia? Adding chia seeds to my breakfast seemed like the perfect way to break the monotony and add a nutritional boost to my day. Little did I know, these tiny seeds were about to turn my world upside down. From the first day I tried them, I noticed a difference. My energy levels were higher, and I felt more satisfied after meals. It was like a small change that made a big impact. I started experimenting with different recipes: chia pudding, chia smoothies, and even chia-infused baked goods. The possibilities were endless, and each new dish was a delightful adventure. Soon, I was sharing my chia creations with friends and family, and they were just as impressed. It became a fun way to connect with loved ones over healthy, delicious food. I also delved into the science behind chia seeds, learning about their ancient origins and how they were used by the Aztecs and Mayans for sustained energy. It was fascinating to see how these tiny seeds had such a rich history and were still relevant today. Taking the Chia Challenge was more than just a dietary change. It was a journey of discovery and transformation. I felt more in tune with my body and more mindful of what I was eating. As the days turned into weeks, I realized that this wasn't just a temporary experiment. Chia seeds had become a staple in my diet, and I couldn't imagine going back to my old ways. So if you're looking for a simple way to boost your health and add some excitement to your meals, why not give chia seeds a try? They might just surprise you, like they did for me. And who knows, maybe they'll turn your world upside down too. I started my chia seed journey with a simple goal: 1 tablespoon a day. I sprinkled some on my yogurt, feeling very healthy and adventurous. They didn't taste like much, kind of nutty. But then something strange happened. Remember how I said chia seeds are full of fiber? Well, let's just say my digestive system got the memo. Let's just say I was very regular. The first week was all about figuring out how to eat these tiny powerhouses. I tried them in everything. Smoothies were a big hit. The chia seeds turned into a fun pudding-like texture. Salads were a bit trickier. Imagine my surprise when I found chia seeds stuck in my teeth during a meeting. Note to self: carry floss. But hey, at least my energy levels were through the roof. Chia Power, weeks 2 and 3. These weeks were transformative, to say the least. I had embarked on this journey with a bit of skepticism, but the results were undeniable. By week 2, I was feeling the Chia Power. It was as if a switch had been flipped. My energy levels were through the roof, and I felt like I could take on the world. I had more energy than my dog Portia after a triple espresso. Portia, who is usually the most energetic member of our household, was now struggling to keep up with me. We would go for long walks, and I would still have energy left to spare. And you know what else? The changes weren't just physical. I found myself more focused and alert. Tasks that used to feel like a chore were now a breeze. My cravings for sugary snacks started to disappear. It was almost magical. I used to have a sweet tooth that was hard to control, but now I found myself reaching for healthier options without even thinking about it. I even noticed my skin was looking brighter. Friends and family started to comment on my glowing complexion. It was as if the chia seeds were working their magic from the inside out. Maybe it was the chia seeds, or maybe it was just the excitement of being a health nut. Either way, I was embracing this new lifestyle with open arms. I started experimenting with different chia seed recipes, adding them to smoothies, salads, and even baking with them. Either way, I was feeling good. The sense of well-being was incredible. I felt more connected to my body and more in tune with my health. It was a journey of discovery, and I was loving every moment of it. The chia seeds had become a staple in my diet, and I couldn't imagine going back to my old ways. The transformation was real, and I was excited to see what the coming weeks would bring. Confessions of a Chia Convert. Okay, I'll admit it. I became a little obsessed with chia seeds. I was adding them to everything: my morning coffee, my afternoon salad, even my popcorn. I even tried making chia seed face masks. Don't ask. But hey, when you find something that makes you feel this good, you want to share it with the world. Chia seeds miracle food or marketing hype? Now, I know what you're thinking. Ellen, are chia seeds really all that, or is this just another fad? Well, I'm not a doctor, but I can tell you what I experienced. Did I magically lose 10 pounds and start speaking fluent Mandarin? No, but I did feel better. More energy, better digestion, and even my skin looked brighter. Chia seed recipes from boring to bam. The key to enjoying chia seeds is to get creative. Sure, you can sprinkle them on yogurt, but why stop there? I'm talking chia seed pudding, chia seed jam, even chia seed bread. The possibilities are endless. And the best part? Most of these recipes are super easy, even for someone who burns water like me. Chia seeds and your social life. Be warned, eating chia seeds can lead to some interesting social situations, like the time I accidentally snorted some while laughing during a business meeting, or the time I got a chia seed stuck in my teeth on a date. Awkward. But hey, it's all part of the chia seed adventure, right? The final verdict: would I do it again? So after 30 days of chia seed madness, what's the verdict? Would I do it again? Absolutely. Sure, there were some funny mishaps along the way, but the benefits outweighed the awkward moments. I felt healthier, more energized, and even a little bit more fabulous. And who knows, maybe I did develop superpowers. Stay tuned. Ready to jump on the chia bandwagon? If you're looking for a simple way to boost your health and well-being, I highly recommend giving chia seeds a try. Just remember to start slow, experiment with different recipes, and always carry floss. And hey, if you have any funny chia seed stories, be sure to share them with me. Until next time, stay healthy and keep on laughing.